our inhibitor, corrosion inhibitor, we have carried out several tests to demonstrate how that inhibitor is going to work on the steel when it is embedded into concrete. Now you can see over here that we have got one sample which has been added over there, and you can see that it is all bright as though it is new, and same time we have put one sample over here and you can see that it is all fully corroded. Now similarly, same test is applied over here. You can see that it is fully corroded and this has been all as good as new one. Now this one more sample, one more test is there. This has been kept for a very long time, say about 10 to 15 years. You can see over here it is as good as new, and you can see the one which is controlled without inhibitor. Now it is so dark that we cannot see even the sample inside. Now in order to ascertain this particular behavior or to show it to our customer, we have got a test which is the Japanese standards. Now you can see over here that we have got a control sample, and you can see that this is showing a large amount of corrosion over here because there is no inhibitor present into the system. But on the other hand, if there is a inhibitor is present in the system, you can see that surface is as bright as has been polished. So these are the tests which have been, which are very convincing for the customer. Now, in order to ascertain that the inhibitors are really migrating from one place to other one, we have carried out one test which is shown over here. Now you can see over here that inhibitor is on one side, and there is a concrete block in between the two, and there is a steel sample which is on the other compartment, and there is no direct contact between the two. But what is happening now, that the vapors of this inhibitor are migrating through the concrete and they sit over here, and you can see that the corrosion, although the conditions are favorable for corrosion, that is moisture and oxygen, the sample is as bright as though it has been polished recently. So this is one test which is confirming that our migrating type inhibitor is very effective as far as the corrosion inhibition is concerned.